Hi there, and welcome to Everyday English Versa, your safe space to practice real English, one honest conversation at a time. I'm Layla, and if you're watching this, maybe you've been scrolling for hours. Maybe your eyes feel tired. Maybe you want to study English, but your brain just says, not today. You're not lazy. You're not alone. In fact, millions of people feel this way in 2025, what experts now call digital burnout. Today, my friend Rohan and I talk about it, not as teachers, but as humans who also get tired of screens. Let's breathe, let's talk, and let's learn gently. Hey Rohan, thanks for coming. How are you really doing today?
Hey, Layla. Honestly, a little drained. I've been on my phone or laptop since 7 a.m. Emails, apps, YouTube, even trying to learn Spanish. But now, my brain feels like an empty cup.
Oh, I know that feeling. Like your eyes are heavy, but your mind won't rest?
Exactly. And the worst part? I want to learn English. I even downloaded your podcast. But after work, I just scroll for hours. Then I feel guilty.
Rohan, that's digital burnout. It's not your fault. Our brains weren't made to stare at screens all day. But hey, first, tell our listeners a little about yourself.
Sure. I'm Rohan. I'm from Mumbai, and I work in tech. I've been learning English for 2 years. I love movies and cooking, but lately, I just feel stuck behind a screen.
And I'm Layla. I teach English online, but guess what? I also get screen fatigue. So today, let's talk like real people, not perfect students. So, what does digital burnout feel like for you?
I feel tired, but not sleepy. My neck hurts. I check my phone every 5 minutes, even when I don't want to. And when I try to study, I read one sentence, then open Instagram. It's like my focus is broken.
That's so real. And you know what? Your brain is craving real rest, not more screens. Here's a phrase you can use. Greater than asterisk, I need a digital detox asterisk. It means I need to unplug from devices for a while.
Oh, I like that. So instead of saying I'm lazy, I can say I'm doing a digital detox today. Sound kinder to myself?
Yes. And if someone asks why you're not replying fast, you can say, greater than asterisk, I'm taking a break from my phone asterisk. Greater than asterisk, I need some offline time asterisk.
That's powerful, but how do I actually do it? I feel addicted.
Start small. Try this. 1. Put your phone in another room for 20 minutes. 2. Listen to English with your eyes closed, like this podcast. 3. Go outside, even for 5 minutes. Feel the sun, hear birds. Your brain will thank you.
Wow. I never thought of listening as a break. Usually I watch videos. So if I say, I'm going for a walk without my phone, is that okay?
That's perfect. And if you feel guilty, remember, greater than asterisk, rest is part of learning. Asterisk. You can't pour from an empty cup, Rohan.
Thank you, Layla. I feel lighter already.
Before you go, if this conversation helped you even a little, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports our little channel. And if you know someone who's always tired from screens, share this episode with them. Sometimes one message can remind someone it's okay to rest.